Ki scientist karep karyang bekinohikai jong school ba College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Cpgsas Umiam Ribhoi District kilapelong ye kejingya tai bat jingye merjingmut ba arsngi halor ki phang babonjat ban Kyntiew karep karyang hakani kathan shatai lammingi kari India North Eastern States. Kani kelempong ye merjingmut kan ye tai ru ikiphang ban penroi bat Kyntiew karep karyang karkum kejing temu bat kejing sandur jong sarkar India ban wanra ikjing kala ha kirukom rep khnang ban Kyntiew kinong rep bat ban penbon kejing penmi iki marbam hakari India barokawai khamtam hakani kathan lammingi. Ye kani kelempong ye kenduk ki Stad bekino hikai jong ni ke skul ba la kershan bat Beijing lot da ke skul ba Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal ringkat bake Indian Council for Agricultural Research ICAR Atari Zone 6 bat ka ICR Atari Zone 7 Umiam. Hakani kelempong ye merjing mut ki Stad akarep karyang kin ye kren halor ki jing don kam ye ki tiar gitar bat ki kor ki bor bat hamai kan thop ye jing Stad ki jing tip digital bat ka artificial intelligence AI. Kani kelempong kan ye merru kumno ban Kyntiew bat ban yarap ikinong rep nang no ban thiet iki tiar gitar bat kumno ban penyat yawi ki marep bakila penmi ni kilingkha. Lem da Kyntiew ya ka yok kokot karoi kapah pedeng kinong rep kari hi berokawai kan numtur syapharang kalong kapang perkhat hakani kelempong.
Are you aware what is generative AI? AI and generative AI, do you know the difference? So everybody uses ChatGPT?
Yes.
Right? So this is an example of generative AI. Why generative? We are giving prompts. Like this is my scenario, write a mail. This is my topic, please prepare a thesis. Right? This is my problem, please give me a solution. We talk to AI. And AI is answering us. AI is generating answer. We are giving prompts, AI is generating. So this is what generative AI is. उसमें हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Everybody is comfortable with Hindi?
No.
So no? Okay, no issues. So the basic AI is about machine learning and deep learning. Right? We train models, we use a different architecture, we use different kind of metadata, we do trainings, we do take samples. Everything is done by us. When it's come to generative AI, AI has already learned everything. Now it will give you answer, a generative answer. So this is the basic difference between artificial intelligence and a generative AI. Now we'll see some components. Now the big question for us is data. When we're dealing with any kind of solution, like any, not only GIS, any solution, the basic requirement is to have your data. If you don't have any data, you cannot train your models, you cannot do any analysis, no projection, nothing you can achieve. The basic requirement is data. As I said that you have in-house drones. So drone से आप data ले सकते हो. You can acquire drone imagery, right? Pre and post processing can be done on one single software. Satellite imagery is a one kind of data. Data or picture clicked by your phone is also a data. If you're clicking a picture, you can do analysis on that. By clicking a picture on your phone, you can create a whole project that you're not aware of. We think it's just a phone imagery, we cannot do anything. But GIS is not limited to satellite only. It is not limited to drone only. GIS is in every single thing that you're working. Every single thing that you're using. Everybody is using Ola, Uber, Blinkit, Zepto, Zomato. What is the base for that? GIS. GIS is base for every application. GPS. We cannot survive with any delivery application. Like I'm from Delhi, I don't go outside to purchase anything. I just order in 10 minutes delivery. I'm getting everything, right? So every single application uses GIS as a base. Best example to understand is GMDA, Gurgaon Metropolitan City. Varanasi Digital Twin. If you see, more than 17 smart cities are on GIS platform. Zepto you guys are using, biggest user of ArcGIS Pro. So this is what basically GIS is. So data requirement is solved. We have satellites, we have phone, we have Excel sheets. You have seen the maps, right? Terrestrial map or topographic map. So this is a kind of a data that you can use for analysis. Okay, then we have is data storage and management.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
What is the fourth step?
Use the microphone.
Oh yes, I think numbering is, there's a problem in numbering. Yes, there must be some issue with the, okay.
So that is the fifth one or fourth one?
Yes, that will be the fourth one.
Fourth one, okay.
Yes. Then is spatial analysis and processing. Now what is spatial analysis? To do the analysis of projection is known as spatial analysis. What is spatial now? Anybody know what is spatial? S-P-A-T-I-A-L, spatial?
Oh, it's relating to space.
Space. It means 4D. 4D ki duniya. Now data is not limited to 3D only. We have X, Y, Z and one more additional direction.